One more time.
You whacking
Okay.
again. You better not
You got it
whack.
on?
Yep.
Okay. This is the spirit. This is her spirit, right? She has this. She is a spirit. She has a soul.
Yeah,
And
that's
she
me.
lives in a body, right? Okay. So now this person has built up their spirit, right?
Yeah.
They read their Bible every day. They pray. They talk to God. They listen when He tells them what to do, right? That's the spirit. It's this person with a strong spirit.
The body isn't
And this
doing so
person
well,
with a
though.
strong spirit has the Holy Spirit. Raise your hand, Holy Spirit. Has a Holy Spirit to help fight the battles. Now let's see someone who doesn't have that go against, try to work with his soul and his body. Okay? Go ahead and try to do it on your own. That's how it works. Okay. That's real easy. Okay.
I wasn't
But
ready.
Exactly.
now he is ready,
No.
right? You're going to be ready. You're
Priscilla's
going to read
ready.
your word, right?
Priscilla's ready.
And you're going to have the Holy Spirit to help you. Okay? Now, let's
Go.
see how
Got
it goes.
this. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yay!
Okay, now that's screaming, yes.